Chris Twiest here, Solution Innovation Manager at ControlUp, and today I'm here to talk to you about our MCP server. So our MCP server allows you to take our data into your LLM, so into your AI chatbot. This allows you to chat with your own corporate chatbot about application crashes, devices that are freezing, devices that need attention, VDI sessions that aren't going that well, or everything that is going well, right? So I'm here to demonstrate how to connect our MCP server to your chatbot. So our MCP server is open and it's public, and the configuration how to do it is written down in our documentation where you search for MCP server. And it is actually a very easy process to connect an MCP server. So all we need is this JSON part, and we need to enter that into our own LLM. So for our demo, I'm going to use Claude. So I have the desktop version here, and I'm going to go into settings. Then in settings, you have this button developer, and here we can click on edit config. This will bring you to the config folder of Claude. In the Mac, it's in your library. In Windows, it's in app data. So the first thing you want to do, because we are going to edit this JSON, is make a copy of the JSON and rename it something like old. So we know this is our old good running config. If you do make a mistake in this config and you restart Claude, it will say you made a mistake, and it will replace all the content in the JSON with a stable, good working version. So it is self-correcting, but still it's good to have a old version that you know is working. So we're gonna edit the config. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the option for MCP servers. So currently you see there are preferences in this JSON, but what we want to add here is also, let me look it up that I'm doing correct. Yeah, we're just going to do down here. We are going to add the option for MCP servers. So we're going to do MCP servers. And this will allow us to have MCP servers here. And here we are going to paste the JSON from ControlUp. Just going to take this JSON and we're going to go into Xcode. And here it is. So now we have our MCP servers, ControlUp. The type is Studio, NPX. That's all good. The only thing we now have to edit, we have to enter our API key here and our org ID. Then we save this file and we restart Claude. So now I have restarted Claude desktop and our MCP connection is ready. We can verify this by going back to settings, going to developer, and here you will see ControlUp and it's running. So it means it has a connection with ControlUp. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get your LLM familiar with what tools there are available in MCP. So a good thing to do is scan the tools that are in the ControlUp MCP. So as you can see, connecting our MCP server to an LLM is very fast. It's done very easily. But the hard part now is learning your LLM how to use these tools, right? So think of it as a carpenter that you're now giving a hammer. You still have to teach how to use this hammer. So it's a good thing to let it scan, to let it see like, oh, what tools are available. So we have a get device metadata tool. We have all kinds of tools. It will also tell the tools that it requires a JSON to talk to and that kind of thing. So I think this is an amazing feature, and I hope that you learned something today. And if you have any questions, reach out to us. Thank you.